Okay, good afternoon folks. It's the 13th of June 2010. Just going to take a look through this US dollar yen for the week ahead and what happened last week. As you'll know from the video last week, I quite like the look of this setup here. Quick removal of a nice final bullish thrust level, quick removal, and so I placed some pending orders to sell that 92.04 level, and had the first target level there of the thrust support down at the 90, 98, basically the 91 level. I had the target points there. So what actually happened was I got up in the morning and we were already down, testing the support level, the trigger point. So this was obviously where I was going to come out with the first target. So I kind of thought, okay, we've already made first target, we've not been triggered. So I cancelled the orders, and later on in the day it actually came up, touched that 92.04, we went to 92.07, and then the market came down in the latter part of the day, last few hours, and closed, bearish close, and then we went down and met that target again the following day. So I mean, it was a bit unfortunate to miss that, but I still feel like I was right in what I did. It was just unfortunate. I mean, I still obviously called it right, but it was just unfortunate that I chose to cancel the orders. But I mean, if you already hit your first target and break even point and it bounces from there, then the chances are from there that it's going to just keep going because it's found some strong support. But anyway, so I mean, going forward on this pair, we've made a bullish thrust on Friday. We're still below that 92.04 and above the 90, 97 level. So it just looks like a bit of consolidation here. It's kind of mixed here. We really need to be above the 92.04 or below the 90, 97 level to see any sort of real moves here. And again, this weekly chart's not really looking the greatest in terms of thrust signals, having closed back above that 91.59 last week, and then sort of just hanging right around that level to the close this week. But basically still looking for this pair to be closing below 91.59 on the monthly anyway, by the close of the month. So we'll just have to see if that comes about. But basically at the moment anyway, going into the new week, I don't have any plans to do anything here. We do also now have have a bullish thrust from Friday, which is at 91.25. So we could also get a quick removal of that level, 91.25. So should we get a removal of that level tomorrow to the close, that would be your next sort of selling level to try and get involved in this trade, because we are still above the trend continuation point and looking for eventually that 84 first target down there on this daily chart. So any bullish thrust, you're looking for the lows to be removed and then to sell a retest of those levels. So yeah, so we'll look at that tomorrow and see if that comes about. I mean, if we do happen to remove both of these levels to a close tomorrow, then a retest of anywhere around this area the following day would be would be the play there, and I would expect it to be quite strong resistance, that level. As you can see, we've tested that 90.97 sort of basically 4 times. Yeah, almost got down 91.05 on this day here. So basically 4 days we've tested that level, and yeah, so if that was to be removed to the close, that would be your next selling level, and we're in a good position at the moment to look to sell based on the daily chart and also where I see the monthly chart going. So yeah, but going into tomorrow, nothing doing. So we'll just keep an eye on those levels for Monday and see what happens. Okay, cheers.